Hi Libras, welcome to your zodiac reading. So, this is going to be your reading for October 15th to the 31st. If you've been following my channel, you would know how I do these readings. I'll be first looking at the current energies, and basis that, I'll be looking at an outcome that you can expect in the coming 15 days. So, while watching this, also remember one more thing, guys. This is a general reading, it may or may not resonate with you. So, please take what resonates and leave what does not. Okay? And also, a small tip to understand whether this reading is resonating with you. So, when I look at the current energies, if that part of it resonates with you, then pretty much the outcome will also resonate with you. Alright? Okay. So let's begin and let's see what's going on with you currently, Libras. It's like there's a lot that you want to say. Seven of Pentacles, Judgment, Ace of Cups. Pick one more. Okay, I got two more. The Chariot and Eight of Swords. Okay, so Libras, what I'm seeing here is you are being guarded at this point. You are not opening up too much. And I see that you want to move towards something, but you're not being able to untangle the cords of your mind. Okay, I also sense that somewhere there has been a kind of a awakening of emotions for a certain thing in you. Okay, and right now you're just dwelling in that feeling, and it's not a very happy feeling. I don't see you feeling happy about it. You just know that yes, it's there, and you don't know what to do next. Like, what should you do about it? Like, how, what next? Like, that way you're tangled over there, that okay, I feel this way, but what do I do about it? Okay, so you're there right now. It's a little bit of a confused state of affairs for you at this point. Maybe you feel a little lonely when you're feeling very emotional about this whole thing. So you want to not really, you don't want to rush into things right now. Okay, you're just on a standstill. You're just staying at one place at this point. Okay, so that is what I'm seeing. Now, if this resonates, let me see what can you expect in the coming 15 days. October 15th to the 31st. October 15th to the 31st. Page of Cups. Four of Wands. Eight of Wands. Page of Swords. Okay, some communication coming your way. I think this person who has ignited these kind of emotions, this person will reach out. This person will talk to you. I feel this person will say that they want stability with you. They would want to hold on to you and work on this connection. Because, sorry, this person feels incomplete without you. Okay, I'm saying that they would want to have this with you. They would want to. I'm seeing that they will take that first step. I see some communication, some sort of an idea that will come your way. They are going to be extending some kind of a hand towards you to make it happen. Okay. I feel somewhere that this person is kind of on a crossroads of trying to understand themselves, and they're doing that. They're trying to understand themselves, and it's more of like they wanting to also give it a shot. That's what I'm seeing. So it's a good news for you, Libra. Like I'm seeing that it'll make you happy. Like if I see the 8 of Wands card, it is going to strike your heart and you'll feel really happy about this whole communication coming your way. It's going to be a happy space for you. That's what I see. Alright? Now let me see what's the advice for you here, Libra. Blessing of higher perspective. You're releasing rigid preconceived notions about yourself, another person, or a situation. This has helped you have an open mind. You or another person involved has transformed and changed for the better. A new happy phase of life can begin if you allow it. So I do see that this person might come back. You might hear from this or hear from this person either on the 17th or either on the 26th of October or something. This person will move forward and talk to you. This person will come towards you. I'm seeing. Yeah. So I feel that yes, okay, whatever phase you're going through right now is there for a reason. You can do your contemplation and understand whether you want this or you don't want this, and what you're doing right now is only making you wiser. But I do see that in the next 15 days, this person is going to reach out to you. Okay? Alright, Libra, so that is what I have for you. I hope this reading resonated. Please leave your comments below so that I know. And private readings are open, so you can reach out to me, and I shall see you soon with more readings. Take care. Bye.